A beautiful dusk. It's World Watercolour Month. It's made for this. So let's paint. Another quick sketch of the horizon. Pretty similar to yesterday. So I'm laying down quite a lot of water. You can probably just tell from the sheen that's appearing. This is going to be quite wet in wet. We're going to be able to see the paint moving about. This is the easiest way to get a good ombre effect, the fade of the sky towards the horizon. How mesmerising is it when paint does what it wants? Look at that pigment spread. It is a fairly flat sky though, so we do need to even that out. So a little bit of water in the brush and spread it down towards the horizon, and then back up again to take some of that darkness out. Make sure not to leave the water globs in the corner. It does go a lot darker when it dries, so just try and make sure it spreads out as you're using your blow dryer. Once it's fully dry, and I mean fully dry, we don't want a green sky, add another layer of water for the sunset, but this time more water at the bottom of the painting and then spread it up. Over the years I've noticed that yellow is one of the ones that really does not like to spread on its own. So it's a case of laying the strong colour where you want it and then adding water to spread it up towards the sky. Make sure you don't leave any lines, you want it a nice even finish. I'm adding a little bit of flame red here down towards the horizon. It's actually behind the tree line. This is going to help it become more obvious that the sun has actually left, rather than still hiding beyond. As with anything, once it's dry, if it's not a strong enough colour for you, glaze it over again in a second layer to make it stronger. can't see in the video at the beginning is that there's actually tiny hazy clouds out towards the horizon. So I've just popped these in with a little bit of yellow, and then once that's dry, put in the same blue, really weak, just below, just to highlight those clouds. The way that I make the colours for the foreground is to mix the colour that I know it is, so in this instance brick red, and then add the deep purple of the sky to it. That makes it a nice shadow version of the brick colours that you're looking at, and make sure that it matches the rest of the painting by using the same colours throughout. Same goes for the grey colour of the tiles. I started out with the purple from the sky and added a little bit of red, a little bit of black just to make it dark. Blocking the colour in on the first pass, we can add the detail and additional shadows on the second pass. For the background tree line, I mixed the green that I know that it is, and then added the flame red from the sunset. That's made it glow as if the sun is just behind there. And don't forget the darker sections where the foliage is thicker. Finishing off with the foreground details. Remember not to go too far. It's the sky that we're studying, not the buildings. And the photograph that I took, which I've not shown you, actually does have my 2 personal wood pigeons flying off to the tree in the background where they roost. So why not include them? And while you've got the fine liner brush, let's add in those TV aerials. That little bit of extra detail makes the mind think the detail is everywhere. And there you have it, guys. Another tiny painting done. I enjoyed this one. Let me know if you've had a go or how your World Watercolour Month is going. Until next time, like and follow for more. Toodaloo!